Most excavators are built to dig trenches, clear land, and move dirt. But the machines in this video operate on a completely different level. These are engineering monsters designed for jobs so massive that ordinary equipment simply cannot survive them. In giant mining operations around the world, millions of tons of rock need to be moved every single day. Delays cost enormous amounts of money, and failure isn't an option. So engineers responded the only way they know how, by building bigger machines. These excavators are so huge they can make trucks look tiny. Some carry bucket loads heavier than entire houses. Others work non-stop for days in some of the harshest environments on Earth. From hydraulic giants to mining monsters with insane power output, these are the biggest excavators ever built. Meet the Terex RH400. At one point, this machine held the title of the largest hydraulic excavator in the world. And once you see it operating, that claim starts making sense immediately. This giant produces roughly 4,500 horsepower. It can dig to incredible depths while maintaining stability despite its overwhelming size. The dimensions almost feel unrealistic. First up is the Komatsu PC8000. This machine sits at the top of Komatsu's hydraulic excavator lineup and was designed for one purpose: maximum mining performance. Producing nearly 4,000 horsepower, the PC8000 combines enormous strength with highly advanced technology. At first glance, the size alone is overwhelming. Massive tracks support an enormous upper structure, while a giant boom controls a bucket capable of moving more than 40 cubic meters of material in a single pass. To understand how insane that is, imagine entire truckloads of rock disappearing scoop after scoop. But moving material is only half the challenge. Mining operations demand speed. Every second matters, because giant haul trucks waiting to be loaded cost serious money. The EX8000. This giant machine was created with one clear mission: work harder, work longer, stop less. The EX8000 uses twin diesel engines capable of generating enormous power levels while supporting giant loading systems. With buckets capable of handling huge volumes of material, this machine can process unbelievable amounts of earth in a very short time. But power alone means nothing if a machine constantly breaks down. So engineers focused heavily on reliability. The EX8000 was designed to operate 24 hours a day under brutal conditions: day shifts, night shifts, dust, heat, and non-stop stress. Next comes the Liebherr R9800. When it comes to giant mining excavators, this machine stands near the top of the food chain. With bucket capacities approaching 50 cubic meters, the R9800 was engineered to dominate large mining operations where productivity means everything. But unlike older heavy equipment focused purely on brute force, Liebherr wanted flexibility. The result was a machine capable of adapting to different operation requirements while maintaining extreme output. The R9800 can also work alongside giant mining trucks specifically designed to create highly efficient loading systems. Together, these machines create an operation that almost feels like industrial choreography. Massive buckets rise, hundreds of tons move, and giant trucks roll away within minutes. Liebherr also introduced systems designed to reduce downtime. One of the most interesting features is its quick attachment capability. Instead of relying on slower manual processes, operators can switch equipment faster and return to work sooner. That matters more than most people realize. In mining, time literally becomes money. Now we move to the largest excavator in Hitachi's lineup. Standing next to the RH400 changes your sense of scale. Nearby vehicles suddenly look miniature, people look microscopic, and the machine itself starts feeling less like construction equipment and more like a moving industrial fortress. What makes this machine even more impressive is the balance engineers achieved. Creating giant machines isn't only about making things bigger, and future excavators could become even larger, smarter, and more powerful. Which means one day, even these monsters might look small.